everyone, today I'd like to introduce our second stage separation equipment in the solid control system. This drilling fluid desander is mainly composed of two sets of 10-inch cyclones, inlet pipelines, outlet pipelines, underflow screen, and bracket assembly. The drilling fluid is first pumped into the cyclone from the slurry inlet through the centrifugal pump. Due to the pump pressure, the mud rotates at a high speed in the cyclone. The liquid and solids in the drilling fluid are stratified by the centrifugal force. Then the solids are discharged from the bottom of the cyclone. The liquid phase overflows from the upper part of the cyclone. The overflowing mud returns to the circulation system, and the underflow solids are further screened and processed by the shale shaker and discharged out of the tank. Our drilling fluid desander is capable of removing harmful solids above 44 microns, improving drilling fluid performance and increasing drilling efficiency. The cyclone of this desander is made of PU lined with ultra-high wear resistance, and the exterior uses a steel structure to prevent high temperature mud from deforming it. Okay, this is all for today. Pay attention to us. The next issue will be more exciting. See you next time.